Hi artists! In this video you will learn how to create tints and shades using canvas. First, let's scroll over to our palette. For this we're going to choose Custom Palette. Next we're going to select the color that we'd like to use for our drawing. I'm going to choose a shade that's around purple. Next I'm going to take this circle and drag it all the way to the top right corner. Once it's there, this will be my starting point color. Let's see what it looks like. Next, if I want to make a tint, I want to add more white. To do that, I'm going to move this circle closer to the left. Let's see. A little bit lighter. Okay, let me keep going. A little bit more left. You'll notice they're all different shades of purple, getting lighter as I move left on my palette. Next, I want to create a shade. To do that, I'll need to add black. So I'm going to move my circle back to the middle point and move it down the right side. Let's take a look at that color. Definitely a little darker. Let's move it a little further. Even darker. Awesome. And you can continue to do this until you hit that far bottom corner. That is how you can create tints and shades using Chrome Canvas. Have fun!